Since 2008, the BSI Ingenieurgesellschaft has been pre-qualified with Deutsche Bahn in the sectors structural engineering and traffic facilities. The planning of the replacement construction included the specification to only interrupt the regular railway operations for a maximum of 3 weeks. To meet this requirement, the frame structure was erected in a lateral position and shifted into the final position during and within the track shutdown period. A fluid transport system was used for the shifting due to the heavy weight of the construction itself. The shifting of the new construction took place after the demolition of the old structure and the subsequent construction of the shifting technology system. The shunting distance was 50 meters. With the use of hydraulic presses, the 2,200 tons heavy frame construction was shifted 50 meters laterally into its end position with a positional accuracy of 5 millimeters within 1 hour. Following the shift, the structure was lowered, the expansion of the presses and slideways were disassembled, and the cavities between the structure and the slabs were. Subsequently, the cantilevered parapets and railings were installed, and after installation of the track pavement and the new track system geometry, the construction could be opened for rail traffic after the shortest possible construction time.